Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming Wallet is active and signed into the correct Google account. This ensures passes sync properly. Next, open the ticket source, email, app, or a downloaded pass file, and look for Add to Wallet or Save button. Once found, tap it and follow the on-screen prompt to store the ticket. If the button isn't visible, save the PDF to Files and open it from there. Make sure location and notifications are allowed so Wallet can update passes automatically. Now verify the pass inside Wallet. Check date, seat, barcode clarity, and any event entry notes so you avoid surprises at the gate. If you want faster access, mark the pass as a favorite or rename it to a concise label. That keeps it at the top. Also, make sure the pass is available offline by opening it once while connected, which caches the barcode. If the pass has updates, Wallet will push them. Still, double-check before you leave for the venue. At entry, open Wallet and present the barcode or QR to the scanner. Hold your phone steady and increase brightness for reliable reads. If the scanner can't detect the code, offer the numeric ticket ID or pull up the original email as backup. Staff can usually locate your booking. If the pass won't open or shows errors, force close Wallet and reopen, reboot your phone, or ask the issuer to reissue the pass. Make sure your device isn't in low power mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.